Go. Click, clap, pull it. Click, clap, pull it. Click, click.
Hello guys, welcome to my channel. This is a tutorial video of Cadence software, and in this video we saw the tutorial of the Cadence software and how to make a composite. So first we open Cadence software. It is my Cadence software, and for tutorial we import some Gerber. So for import Gerber file, import and import wizard. Here we set a path, next and finish. So this is my Gerber, and first I am a define layer of this Gerber, and for define layer we press Y on keyboard, and this layer is C01, I mean top copper. Click on it and enter and set a top. For second L02 legend bottom, so click on it, enter and silk bottom, and this one is M01, I mean mask top, so click on it, enter and mask top, okay. So this is our R3 Gerber, and we set color for this Gerber. So this is my masking layer, and in this video we saw the how to composite, and this for composite we have one option, and it is setup composite. So in some production and in a Gerber we want to composite two layer, like this is my PCB in CNC department, and this is a masking layer or masking layer Gerber output, and here this is also my masking layer output. Here we have flash on the drill. If I am input NC file, import NC drill, so this is my two layer. 3 is my masking layer and 4th is my NC layer, and this is my original production PCB. Here we have two layer also. This is in black color, this is my masking layer film of production, and it is my PCB panel, and it is a drill by NC layer. So this center hole is a drill, and this black color film is masking film. So here we have just flash, and not other area is covered by this green color, and in production house film we have the remaining area is covered and the flash are not covered. So in Cadence design we want to make composite and invert this color for our production film. So for inverter color, first we measure the size of this film. So for measure size we click on measure between point. After this we take first point for measure, it's here, and we see measurement here, distance through this side. So my measurement is dx mean 186 in x-axis and 197 in y-axis. So we add here some. So we take dx 195 replace to 186, and we take dy 205 replace 197. So we have both value, x equal to 195 and y equal to 205. so we remember it. And now we make one decode of this size, and for this size we make one rectangle. This rectangle my I add one decode number is 41, and shape is rectangle. And now width in x, we take x 195 and height is 205, and OK. So we want make a decode of 195 by 205. So now first we make decode. Here we make no new layer, it's layer number 5, and we own also masking layer. But here is active layer is 5th layer, because if we double click on any layer like this, then here color is red on name, so it is active layer. If I press on this, then red color is on silk layer, so silk layer is my active layer. But we want to active my 5th layer, so I am double click on 5th layer. Now my active layer is 5th, and I am off, and I am on just masking layer because of reference for the 5th layer. So now I am work on my 5th layer, and layer 3 is just for my reference. So first I am set decode. We make one decode is number is 41, so I am select 41 for my decode. It's we make, and its size is rectangle 195 by 205. We select it and we place here. We place like this, so the all decode of masking layer is in this rectangle. So we put here by double click. Now I am escape. Now this is 4 time we place, so we delete 3 time. For delete, right click on it, enter, and delete. Yes, right click, enter, and delete. Yes, right click, enter, delete, and yes. Now we have just one. If I click, then this is just one rectangle. So with home, and now we have 2 layer. This is my layer 5. I must change the color of layer and set it red color. So click on it and set red color. So red color is my 5th layer we make new, and green color is my masking layer, layer number 4th. So now we want to invert color, then we composite layer 3 and 4. So for composite we go to setup composite. It is composite setup, and take it new composite. And first I may take my 5th layer, click on it and drag it. So click on it and drag it. Cancel it. We will composite, new composite, click on it and drag to here. So this is my 5th layer, and unnamed we don't give it name. And I may take one layer is my 3rd layer, click on it and drag to on composite. So this is my 5th layer, which is we make rectangle, and my 3rd layer it is customer layer, and it is masking layer. So we will here three layer, and we have here option dark and dark. So here we want this unnamed layer is a all rectangle layer, and this M01 is just a flash. So for like this in photo, we want the dark color of this rectangle, and the flash are in flash color are in clear. So as per production film, we want to do this rectangle in dark color and the flash are in clear. So we set like this here. This unnamed layer is dark, and masking layer I'm right click on it and set it as a clear, and now I'm give OK. So this is my composite layer, and here we make it like this production film. It is same as this. So this is my composite layer, and symbol of composite layer is like this. So thank you guys.